Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what Myrtle Creek is like. This town is great. I personally live here, so it is wonderful. Myrtle Creek is about 15-20 minutes from Roseburg, but it's a great small community, as you're going to see in this video. And stay tuned till the end, where I'm going to show you a new construction build that you can get for under $325,000. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. Hey everybody, I'm Jerry Norman with Oregon Life Home. Today I'm going to walk the streets of Myrtle Creek and show you what it's like living in the town that I live in. This is a great small community. I absolutely love living here. So if you're interested in moving to Myrtle Creek or any other small town here in the area, give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. I get calls from people looking to move to this area all the time. I absolutely love it. With that being said, let's get on to it. So here we are, Mill Creek Park here in Myrtle Creek. Cool thing about this park, it was once a lumber mill and a pond that was used to cure logs. Once the lumber mill shut down, it was donated to the city, and they created a really cool park for it. As you can see, there is tons of the people out here Saturday morning just enjoying the park. It has a pavilion. So there's the pavilion. And they have concerts here in the summertime. There's baseball fields, there's soccer fields, volleyball courts. It also has a campground, and there's one you can rent from the city and spend a weekend there. It's a kind of cool spot, kind of neat, and a really cool park here. I come here every morning and walk my dogs along this path. I think it's about like 3/4 of a mile around the park, and I usually walk a couple times. And the cool thing about this park is it has a farmer's market Saturday mornings during the spring and summertime. I've recorded you. I'm a real estate agent here in town, and I'm just doing YouTube videos.
Okay. Come down to our Saturday farmer's market.
Perfect.
10 to 2
Every Saturday.
Done here, go to the book sale.
All right, book sale. Everybody's super friendly here in town. Nice little community. So as you can see, it's really cool, friendly place. And we're going to walk down Main Street, and it's starting to rain a little bit on us. So all the businesses here in town are locally owned. One of my favorite burger places, see right behind me, Tommy's Burger Joint. Pretty cool spot. If you want to ruin your diet for the day, that's a good spot to go. Great local place. You'll find me there a lot. The Tap House, they got a lot of local Oregon beers on tap, ciders. They offer a little bit of food. They got a small kitchen, so it's kind of nice. And it's the only stoplight in town. So, as you can see, Myrtle Creek is just a small town, but I'd love to hear where you guys are from. So leave a comment in the description below. Love to hear from you. As you can see, all these are all locally owned businesses here. There's a great locally owned coffee shop right up the way. You'll find me there usually Tuesday mornings instead of sitting in the office, I'll go to that coffee shop. SoCo is what it's called, and usually buy everybody coffee for an hour. So feel free to join me. I'd love to talk to you and chat. And we're starting to get a little bit of rain here. And now we're walking back down towards the park. Really safe community, nice place. And if I didn't mention this is the town I live in. I call it home. So Myrtle Creek is probably about 20 minutes from Roseburg, and that's where you're going to do all your major shopping in Roseburg, all your daily activities, that kind of stuff. But living here, you get a good small town feel. Obviously, as you can see, as walking through the farmer's market, everybody likes to say hi and what are you doing and that kind of stuff. So I'm always happy to talk to anybody that wants to hear anything. But for that, we're going to stop and we're going to continue on our journey. All right, so here we are in the southern part of Myrtle Creek. All these houses behind me were built in the mid-90s. Nice houses. I actually owned one and lived there for about 3 or 4 years. We just sold that. Came to a different part of town, but as you can see behind me, they are doing new construction. They're just starting to build. The plan is about 52 homes are going to go in there. They're about what the price ranges are yet, but obviously they are building. But all these houses here, really nice neighborhood. Kids are running up and down the streets all the time. Basically, it's quiet place to live, no trouble. Like I said, all these houses are in the low to mid threes. I know of a house just right up here that just sold for $325, and my house that I sold, which is on the next block over, that sold for $320. They're good homes, well built, pretty much all single story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 12 to 1,500 square feet. It's a great neighborhood. I didn't think it was going to be raining today, but that's what it is. So if you live in Oregon, that's what you're going to get. A little bit of drizzle here and there. So not too bad. You just got to do what you got to do and get out, enjoy the outdoors. It is a nice, peaceful neighborhood here. I've helped a lot of people buy and sell homes here in these neighborhoods. So feel free. A lot of people reach out to me and they want to live in a quiet neighborhood. Reach out, we'll have a phone call, give me a call, text, email. Love to hear from you. And like I said, I live here, so I can easily find you the best neighborhood that'll fit your needs for the best. So feel free to leave me a comment, tell me what you're looking for, and I'd love to hear from you. All right. So here we are, another stop here in Myrtle Creek. This is pretty cool. History of Myrtle Creek. Myrtle Creek has got 2 covered bridge. One is right here. That's the Neil Lane covered bridge. Pretty cool. We're just going to take a little walk through it. So I thought that would be a cool little stop for you. It's pretty neat. I happen to like covered bridges, and they're kind of cool just to see and know the history behind them. Here's South Umpqua High School. This is the high school. If you are are in Myrtle Creek or anywhere in the southern Douglas County area. Cool thing about South Umpqua is a small high school. So 9th through 12th grade, there's just less than 400 students, which gives it a classroom size of about 16-to-1 student ratio, which is pretty small compared to some of those other larger schools that I compared on earlier videos. And one of the elementary schools just sits right behind me over here. Small town community, so I mean, it's kind of neat. Here's one of the best deals I think here in Douglas County, specifically here in Myrtle Creek. So this is the best deal I think. These houses behind me are still under construction, and they are on small lots. That's the one drawback. However, they are under $315,000. They're 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just under 1,300 square feet. Great neighborhood, quiet. So kind of circle around and check it out. As you can see, that one's under construction. And there's 2 more right back there. So they're in there kind of tight, but they're done by a great builder here in the county, well known. I've never had any problems. I've sold a few of his homes. They're great, and so I think for the price, these are good price to get into on a new construction home. Great for first-time home buyers or somebody who's looking to downsize. Great opportunity. So something like that interests you, so feel free to give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below, and I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Hey everybody, I hope you love this video. If you're thinking about moving to the Roseburg, Myrtle Creek area, I'd love to have you as a neighbor. So feel free to give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. And with that, enjoy this next video.